Guess the trail. It's still snow out here.
Go this way.
All the snow.
Guys, mommy, daddy, mommy, daddy.
Big old drop. River crossing. Yeah, river crossing right here. Look at all that clean, clear water. Water.
Water mama ơi, mama nè, leo. Ô, ăn cổ béo. Ăn cổ lúc béo blong blong.
The water's about probably almost 2.5 feet. 2.5.
Mosquito.
And more snow. Just got done doing some log clearing. Fell down there, used my little yellow strap for Harbor Freight. Know what I'm saying? Now, my turn to go. We dragged this tree out the way so we can go. Hella easy now. Now, time to go to the campsites and chill. Finally made it to the river crossing. It's me and the brother-in-law. That's the river crossing right here. I don't think we'll go. It's too deep. The rapids are too strong. First time being here too, over at Eagle Lake Road. It's fucking beautiful, man. Still has snow up here too. Just chilling. for a little bit and then we'll go home. Man, we got hung up hella bad earlier. Just that little creek crossing got me messed up. Let's see what I hit. I didn't hit nothing. Oh yeah, I did hit something right here. It's all good though. It's all good. Just chilling with the family. Where's that drone? Oh, that drone right there. Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for watching the video. Give a little walkthrough what happened towards the end of the video. We weren't supposed to cross the river up until he lost his drone on the other side of the river by hitting a tree. So I gave him an idea, like, hey, since it's your drone, let's take your truck and cross it. So as we went towards the island in the middle. I was like, you know what, hold on. Let me plan out this real fast before we even continue on, because that side, it has a little dip in the river. So I walked out halfway the river. I'm like, you know what? We could make it. We got back in the trial. I was like, hey man, we could continue to go over there and try to look for your drone and try to cross this river. But I know we'll make it, but it's up to you though. But then there's a drop over there that you're gonna have to go. But we didn't get that one on video. So as we went, bro, that river is so strong, man. The current, it made the bed fishtailed. As we're going, it fishtailed. I'm like, bro, you were losing it, but I was just thinking to myself, I wasn't gonna tell my brother all that, so he won't panic. So I was like, you know, hey, just punch it. Then we made it safe. And I'm like, you know what? When we're gonna cross back, if we don't finish this trail this way, we're gonna have to cross back, you know, and get my truck too. But I'm thinking, you know what? We're just gonna go back the same way we got there. So as he was trying to look for his drone, I was out in the river, you know, just planning out things like, you know, we should go do this, you know, it probably plan out. So from the viewpoint of when we crossed the video that my wife took, we went towards the sandbar a little bit to cross that way because it's more shallow there and the current wasn't so quick there. So as right when we crossed, that's where it dropped. It dropped, and I knew the current was gonna push us a little bit towards the left, which is the viewer's right. So it was pushing us towards the right. From you guys' view, it was pushing us. So you know what? It's gonna push us to the other shallow area where you're gonna hook up your tires and we're gonna keep going. We'll make it. But don't worry, just don't panic. You know, just chill, relax. I knew for a fact we will make it. So as we're going, we're in 4 high. So we're going. Right when we got almost to the island, we got stuck. So my brother all panicked, man. He's like, you know what? He's like, man, I'm redlining my truck. I was like, yeah, I know that, but don't worry, man. We're stuck though. We're stuck, but in a good way. We're stuck in a good way. We're not drifting down the river. As we're stuck, we haven't stalled, but we're stuck in the middle of the river, almost towards the island. I told him, don't panic, just chill. We're stuck. We're not gonna drift down the river anymore. Hit that 4-low, switch it to 4-low, and get your locker back on. As everything engages, so you know, just punch it, just keep punching it. Eventually we'll make it. We didn't go nowhere, bro. So I said, you know what, we're not going nowhere. But I haven't panicked, but my brother kept panicking. So you know, just turn left, right, turn left, right, left, right, and see if we're gonna grab. But I wasn't scared, you know. I lied, I was scared of that shit. Crap, man. I was like, oh damn, keeping my brain, you know. I didn't want to make him go crazy because he was driving. So I was like, you know what? Keep that to myself. I just told him, just keep pushing it. Turn your steering left and right until we grab. So I was feeling the truck was grabbing. Right when it hooked, I said, all right, we moved up a little bit, just a little bit. But right when I knew that, I was like, you know, we're not gonna go, because we was supposed to keep going towards the right. And I'm thinking, no, that's wrong. We gotta go left. Why are we going against the current? We're going against the current. We're not gonna fight the current. We're gonna have to flow with the current. So I told him, just turn left and just keep pushing it that way. So we're just it kept grabbing. Right when it hooked, I was like, "Oh man, we made it!" So it hooked. Right when we went left, but instead of him keep going left, he decided to turn right again. I'm like, "Bro, just keep going left, man. It's easy already." So then he just turned right, and I'm like, "All right, just finish it." Once we out in the island and past that, it's just hella shallow right there. We be cool. So we made it, and I was like, I didn't even know there was water in this truck. I'm like, damn. Right, we got there. I'm like, what the heck is that water noise in the door? It's like, oh man, dude, we done effed up. I said, oh damn. Right when I opened the door, oh man, it was like this much of water on the passenger side. It would just start leaking out. I'm like, dude. But it's cool though, man. We made it, man. We made it. I told him, man, it's cool though. It's a learning experience, but my bad though. I made him go do it because it was his drone. That pushed me to tell him to go on that side. It was kind of my fault, but we should never went. We should have never went just because of that drone, man. But I told him, man, I am sorry for doing that, but hell, it's a learning experience, you know. But I knew for a fact we would make it. We would make it there and back because I eyeballed everything, you know. Eyeballing it and be like, what? The plan actually works. I tell you, it's funny now that I'm sitting here and talking to you about it, but damn, when you're in there, you'd be like, what? Whoa. Man, it was a fun day though.
Thank you. So your phone's putting me back. My phone? Yeah. Oh.
A baby.
Don't block my view. Oh my god.
Mommy.
작게.
Chị tù không? Nói gì nào? Có lỡ đâu phải xài hay? Mình chơi bao nhiêu tiền hay?
Shit, man.
Shit. I have no idea. Bây giờ người chỉ lo mà có rẻ, bởi vì lo còn đời có tao ha. Late to the right. Giờ hối à?
I don't know, man.
Không có xài thì cũng xài. Late to the right.
To right 잖아.
Late to right. Mình có rẻ, mình phải có đi bỏ có rẻ được ha. Người lấy lo mà.
Yi.
Oh my god, that's all, Gino. Don't call it a boy, I need it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I saw.
Wet, but it's good. Yeah, it's okay. It's gonna dry. It'll dry pretty good. This is after the river crossing. Hella wet, but it's all good though. Only water went up to here and back down. Okay, hey, where else the water went? All the way over there? It's great, but it's only surface. Do on top, son. Just do it. My truck. I didn't go because I didn't lose my drone over there. We went and looked for his drone, so we crossed the river twice. Went over there and came back.